Alright, so here we are at a nice little tree. And before I get too excitable, I forgot a couple things. Chaps. Notice I'm not wearing them. Wear them. Earplugs. Hearing protection of some kind. I prefer these guys here. Little foamy jobs. They don't get in the way. So, you get to a tree, you need to look at it. Before you do anything, take a look at it. Ask yourself, can I fall it? Anything up in the top that's going to try to kill me? Hanging branches, whatever. You know, this one's kind of squirrely. There's going to be a lot of work to get down. And there's a lot of stuff in the way. Got brambles and stuff over here, and there's a tractor right there we can't kill. But it's a Dougie fir, and I can do damn near anything I want with it. So I'm going to try to send it off that way. Actually, more like that. Those little cedars are in the way, but they'll be alright. Now, you look up, there's all these branches up there. Those could mess us up. I'd like to go out that way with it, but I can't because of that. So I have to go kind of off through there. Understand? Also, first aid kit. Mine is, I can see it, a little pouchy thing right there. Got, you know, big bandage and usual stuff. Knife and some other things in there too. Right. Now, the first thing you do, yeah, we're gonna sight this up. It's the way I do it. See if I can get this on camera somehow. Is I'll use my axe. Just pinch it to where it hangs on its own. And you can kind of see how it leans. If we get to this side of her, you see she's got lots of belly lean. So should be pretty easy to go that way. But we go to this side. I always do two sides at least. She also got a lot of belly lean off the other way, but the top comes back pretty hard. So, should be okay. Right. Hopefully this video isn't like 4 hours long. We gotta clear our path. Two methods of escape. Now, beating the brush down does two things. It keeps your bar from getting caught and causing a kickback. And let's get the hell out of there. Now, the other thing, I don't know if it's in the view, but you want to have your thumb under the goddamn handlebar. No matter where you're at, have it under there. Also, make sure your train brake works. All right. Now, got these groovy things called sight lines, or gunning lines they're called sometimes. Both sides of the saw have them. This little guy right here. You shoot it, and get that lined up. Straight out that way. Dig? So all I'm doing there, making sure my cuts line up. I'm just skimming the bark a little bit so that my wedges don't get stuck in something. With dug fur like this, the bark's really thick sometimes, so if you have 2 inches of bark and only 1 inch of wedge sticking in there, it doesn't do any good. Not perfect, but it'll do. Tried to walk it around, but this one was kind of goofy, so that's about as good as it's going to get. Anyway, trim your fuzzy ends off. These things are about 4 inches long, and doesn't take much to stab a guy. Cause all sorts of damage. Yeah, it's enough for today.